Okay, I'm so sorry. Here's my second video. My bad. Don't throw the skin away. Dice it down really small or use a food processor. If you have a cutting board that slides, put a towel under the cutting board so you're safe. Grind it down really small. You're gonna get some organic, unrefined coconut oil, or it can be refined. It doesn't matter. I ended up using both anyway. But then you're gonna boil the skin down until it turns a golden brown color. Not black, not charcoal, like don't burn it. Just let it be a golden brown color, like the color of the leaves that you see outside in the fall. And then you're gonna let this cool off. Let it cool off. Don't burn yourself. Don't scorch yourself. Let it cool off, and then you're gonna strain it. You're gonna strain it with a metal strainer and use a cheesecloth. Use a cheesecloth to catch the rest of the little bit of the debris, because you don't want any grittiness in your oil. You want it to be smooth, straight oil. If you want to use it for your face, you can stop here. If you want to use it for your hair, you can add like tea tree oil, rosemary oil, lavender oil, peppermint oil, whatever oil you want to use for your hair. It's help people save some money. I literally just made aloe vera oil for my hair. Save money, have fun, make this viral, comment, repost.